Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Andre Dior, the king of all of the madness. So today I'll be giving you guys a short little tutorial, and it's about how I lay my hair. So basically I have a fresh haircut, but I have good hair, as you guys can see. Fresh out the shower or whatever. It kind of itches. Couldn't find all my products, but I'm going to show you some of them. And I stopped using Cantu and Shea Moisture because on social media, I guess they recalled it in like an article of putting alcohol. We're not doing that. So the first thing I'm going to be using is castor oil from the beauty supply store, the Jamaican one. And I'm just going to first lather some on my hand and then work it into my head. So I'm just going to like lather the castor oil just a little bit on the top because it is thick, girl. It's extremely thick. And castor oil actually makes your hair very thick and helps it to grow very healthy. Get a random towel, wipe off the excess castor oil in this because like ew. So I'm going to be using soft Indian hemp. Everything I'm using will pop up like next to me. So basically I'm going to spread some on my fingers and I'm going to also apply that. Disclaimer, I have a fade, like what a fade haircut is, for those of you who don't know, is just hair on the top and then your perimeters in the back is like bald / clean. So the only place I really have hair is on the top of my head. That's why I only apply product on the top of my head, because that's the only place my hair, well, my waves are. So I'm just applying it in the exact same rotation, the Indian hair, well, the Indian hemp, and I'm just gonna like apply it on the top just a little bit in a direction that my hair and my waves grow. My hair actually grows the opposite way, like a white boy, because of my ethnicity. I ain't gonna tell y'all because y'all not about to come for me in these comments. So first I'm gonna go in with my hard Diane bristle brush. And I'm just gonna brush down. So basically we're working the product into my hair. This is the hard brush. The next brush I'm gonna use is the Diane soft brush. I'm going to go in with the Hair Finisher Mist. It's called the Daily Shine Hair Polisher Mist. I'm just going to spray. Basically, this is like spritz for men. And I'm just going to also brush that in with my soft brush. And then my hard brush. Once I work that product in, we're good. So now I'm going to get my silk do-rag. Y'all know the silkies is the hottest thing in the streets right now. So basically I'm going to get my silky. I'm going to put it on with the side that has the bump. Pause. Y'all know what I'm talking about. One side has like the hem bump and one side is like, so I'm going to put it, make sure the side that has the bump is on the top of it. I'm going to put it on kind of eyebrow length right here. I'm gonna get this thing called, basically what girls make their frontals on, a dome cap, which is also known as the boo-boo cap in a beauty supply store for men. Y'all know what I'm talking about, this. And I'm gonna put this over it. I'm gonna put in my direct first, pull it down, measure it to like about where my eyebrows are, pull it, put my dome cap on my frontal cap. And lift my do-rag up like this, pull this down, measure it, make sure everything's flat and seamless, like this, or bumps. And I'm gonna tie it. It's kind of tight. Sorry guys for the noise in the background. That's my AC. It is so hot in my house right now. I live in New York City, and then it is blazing like that. So I'm gonna keep this on for a couple of minutes and come back and show you guys the results. So it has been about 30 to 20 minutes. So now it's time to take off our silky shorty. Hold on. Let me unravel her. Let me take my little frontal boo-boo cap off. I like to take it off from the back. Pause. Pause. I just like to take it off from the back because I feel like it won't lift the front of your hair. Look. Y'all ready for the reveal? And that's the final reveal, guys. Tell me if I like it. Joyce is spinning. What's good? And I also like to just go over it just a little bit, just to make sure everything is like laid just really lightly, just to make sure everything is in rotation. But yeah, that's the finale of my hair, and that's how I achieve my waves. It's not the traditional way, but that's how I do it. And if you don't like it, that's your business. But I'm enjoying this still. Drowning. I can't sing, but like, share, comment, subscribe, comment below if you learned something new. Go watch my last videos because they're fire. Okay, make sure you subscribe before you click off this video. I love every single last one of you for watching, and see you in my next video.